Hello friends, day 118, and I cracked along the Leeds and Liverpool canal this morning, finished that and got onto the Leigh Branch at Wigan. I came down to Pennington Flash and then started on the Glazebrook Trail, which has been okay, taking me around a few towns that I'd have had to have gone through otherwise. I did meet a group of walkers from Wigan this morning, and I was going to show you them, but they were a bit reluctant to be videoed, so they will remain a mystery. I've just had a meal in the Black Swan at Hollins Green, and I'm about to put the tent up. And as you will see, I've got quite a novel camp spot tonight. So take a look at where I've been and see you on the trail. So this is my slightly unusual room with a view tonight. I haven't quite put the tent up yet, but I will shortly. A bit novel, but at least it should be dead quiet. Haha.